Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are in series of bag making. This is part 3. As a part 3, I would like to show you how to make this beautiful pouch which is in box shape. Let's not wait anymore, let's start. Here I have taken outside fabric with the measurements of 17 into 14 inches. Similarly, we need to take other 2 more pieces for the lining as usual. And here I have taken little thicker material. This is canvas. This is a canvas. And this is a lining. And the zip. Previously I have used running zip. Some of you are a bit confused. This time I want to show you with this ready-made zip which we get from any shop. Another small piece for the handle. For the first we need to take outside material in opposite side and place the lining on it. Here I have ironed the canvas with the lining, that's why it looks like a single piece. And now fold them like this. And now take the tape and mark 2 inches from both the sides. Similarly, even to the other corner. Take the scissor and cut both the corners. We can see here, after cut the corners, the fabric looks like this. See, both the side you can. Now let's fix the zip. While you are fixing the zip, the runner's face should be towards outside material. And then on the top of that, lining. As I told you in the previous video, if you are not confident enough to make a straight stitch, you better fix them first. You can use a stapler or any other pin. Then stitch them. After that, turn it and stitch on the top of it so that the zip will be more strong. We have stitched the zip one side properly. The other side we need to place the zip in between both the layers. I am fixing the zip even this side with the stapler. You can see here it looks like this. Stitch it as usually. Once you finish that, you can turn it. And make a stitch on the top of that. Yeah, we have done with the zip. And now open the zip and turn it. Once you done that, close the zip and bring the zip into the center and fold it properly. And we can see here we need to stitch both the sides. Before we stitch, we need to get ready with the handle. Take the handle, place in between these 2 layers. And now stitch both the sides. Make strong stitches, 1 or 2. The other side, let the runner should be in. Once you finish stitching, trim the edges neatly. And now you can see there are some gaps. So make it like this and stitch here for the four sides, four corners. Yeah, I am closing all the four corners. Make double stitch so that it will be strong. Friends, we have almost done the pouch. Just need to trim it off the extras and turn it now. It's very easy to turn it. After turning, make the purse into proper shape. And now you can see the purse looks in a box shape. You can use this for multi-purpose. Friends, don't you think it is very easy to make? Yeah, you can also try. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet, please do that right now.